Summer is right around the corner, and with the warm weather comes a change in our daily routine. Whether you're planning a beach day, a date night, or you just want to smell great all summer long, you've come to the right video. In this video, I'll be sharing you my step-by-step guide on how to smell amazing all summer long. Number 1, make sure you're taking care of your clothes correctly. Your clothing fibers absorb sweat, bacteria, other odor-related particles that if you're not washing correctly can build up and cause a horrible smell that will leave you maybe having to throw away those clothes. Not only is this a big deal by making your clothes smell good, but it can also extend the lifespan of your wardrobe. And when you're drying your clothes, make sure to get a dryer sheet, because what a dryer sheet does is when you put it in the dryer, it will make your clothes have a very refreshing scent, and overall will make you smell a lot better. Number 2, when you're taking a shower, make sure you have a loofah. Instead of just using your bare hands and scrubbing soap along your skin, a loofah makes it way easier to get rid of the bacteria, the dead skin cells, and overall will have you with more replenished skin. And instead of just using a bar of soap, use body wash. This will help you, especially with the loofah, be way more effective and will make your skin look amazing overall without having to do as much work as you would with a bar of soap in your hands. So next, you just got out of the shower. What do? You dry off, you put on lotion. What lotion will do is make your skin completely super silky, which overall will have your skin looking more refreshed, rejuvenated, brightened, and it will give you that scent depending if you're using a scented or unscented lotion. So if you want your skin looking and feeling its best, using lotion should be an important part of your daily skincare routine. Now with these next 3 steps, I think you could do it in any order, but I'm just gonna list them out and you can choose whichever order you would like to go in. So I'm realizing a lot of guys don't really even brush their teeth, let alone even use mouthwash. What are you doing? I hope and pray if you're watching this video, you're at least doing those 2 things. But there's another way where you can elevate it, which is getting a tongue scraper. Because if you're using your regular toothbrush or your electric toothbrush, I recommend an electric one. But if you're using that for your tongue, what it does is that it's not really removing the excess odor from your tongue. What it's doing, it's more of spreading it around the tongue, which isn't what you want. What you want is a tongue scraper to remove all that bacteria. And the thing about your tongue is that it produces the most odor smell in your mouth. That's what causes bad breath. So using a tongue scraper will ensure that on top of brushing your teeth and using mouthwash. So make sure you're doing those 3 things. Once you're done with that, use deodorant. A lot of guys don't use deodorant and I don't understand why. It's literally, you can have cologne on, you can do all these steps, but deodorant will ruin your whole entire procedure. Why is that? It's because that is what it causes the most smell. See, if you're walking outside and you start sweating and you don't even have deodorant on and you're walking past people, what are they gonna whiff more? The cologne or your armpits? I'd say it would be more armpit than cologne. So honestly, what I would recommend to you depends on how much you sweat. If you sweat a lot, use antiperspirant. But if you don't sweat that much, I would recommend not using an antiperspirant just because I think that's more healthier for you. But you have to wear deodorant every single day in order for you to smell great this summer. And the last step of this, use cologne. See, when I told you to put on lotion right out of the shower, that wasn't for no reason, because this is where cologne comes in. When you're putting lotion out of the shower, you're basically putting another layer on top of your skin, which not only moisturizes, rehydrates, and makes your skin look amazing. The 4th thing about it is it makes your cologne last much longer, which is exactly what you want to do. And in these type of months, I recommend going for a cologne like this. It's a fresh, lightweight, kind of smells like the ocean type of cologne, but it's the perfect scent for the summer. And there's a lot of other scents out there. If you want me to make a video about that, leave it in the comments below. And that is the cherry on top of how to smell amazing this summer. If this video helped you out, make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you would want to see next. Thanks for watching. Peace out.